For the AP question, as a part of the United States Department of Agriculture, the cleanup efforts in the early 1990s, various sites in the country were targeted for cleanup. 3 of the targeted sites were River X, Y, and Z, had become contaminated with pesticides because they were located near abandoned pesticide dump sites. Measurements of the concentration of aldrin, a commonly used pesticide, were taken at 20 random selected locations in each river near the dump sites. The box plots shown below display the 5 number summaries for the concentration parts per million of aldrin for the 20 locations that were sampled in each of the 3 rivers. Okay, the first part is compare the distribution of the concentration of aldrin amongst the rivers. So, I compared them, and as seen, all 3 rivers have about the same minimum, which is around the 3 and 4 range, like before 3.5. They all have different shapes though. This one is, River X is skewed right more, which is the center is more that way. River Y is approximately normal because the median is more in the middle, and River Z is skewed right and skewed left. Skewed right because it is more that way. They all have about the same median. They are pretty similar, but River X and River Y have the most. And their maximums are very, very distinct, very different. Part B, the 20 concentrations for aldrin or River X are below, and it says construct a stem plot that displays the concentration of aldrin for River X. So here's the stem plot, and as the stem plot works, 3, 4, and 7, that means the 3.4 and 3.7, 4.0, 4.2, 4.3, and so on. And as you, in the shape of this, if you turn it sideways, is bimodal because it goes up, and it starts another little curve over there. Question C. Describe a characteristic of the distribution of aldrin concentration in River X that can be seen in the stem plot but cannot be seen in the box plot. So as you can see in the box plot, they are skewed and approximately normal. You cannot tell that they are bimodal in the stem plot or in the box plot whatsoever, but in the stem plot you can clearly tell from River X that it is bimodal and not skewed left.